Building wealth isn't about making $1 million overnight or winning the lottery. It's about creating a strong foundation, one brick at a time. And the best part is, it all starts with small changes that we can make in our daily lives. Welcome to Forever Finance, where we want to live our lives our own way. We often think that building wealth requires us to make drastic changes like quitting our jobs, selling our homes, or making some other radical shift. But the truth is, it's the small, consistent changes that add up over time and make the biggest difference. The best part about these small changes is that they're accessible to anyone, regardless of their income level, occupation, or financial situation. They're simple, yet powerful, and can be implemented right away. First, we will look at some of the common misconceptions with wealth building. Then we will reveal the small changes that we can make to overcome them. So, let's get started on this journey to wealth and see where these small changes can take us. One of the biggest misconceptions about wealth accumulation is that it's all about making a lot of money. While having a high income can certainly help, it's not the only factor that determines our wealth. In fact, many people who earn a lot of money still struggle with debt, save very little, and live payday to payday. So, what's going on? The truth is, building wealth has more to do with what we do with our money, rather than how much money we make. It's about creating systems, habits, and routines that help us manage our finances effectively and make progress towards our financial goals. Our second common misconception is that building wealth requires us to be financial experts or have a deep understanding of the stock market. But the truth is, you don't need to be a financial genius to build wealth. You just need to be willing to learn, take action, surround yourself with the right people, and make small changes to your daily habits. Our financial journeys do not happen overnight. They often take years, or even decades. Small changes early in your journey can have profound impacts towards the end. Many people also believe that building wealth is only for the young, or that it's too late to start building wealth if you're older. Some of us get caught in the mindset that they have plenty of time to worry about building their wealth later in life. But the truth is, building wealth is a journey that can be started at any age. Whether you're 25 or 55, it's never too early or too late to start making progress towards your financial goals. The important thing is to get started. Don't wait until tomorrow. Because tomorrow can become next week, next month, or even longer. Time out of the market is opportunity that is missed. Our next small change is that we think that building wealth is just about saving money. Unfortunately, it's not that simple. Building wealth requires us to think about our spending habits, our investments, our income, and our financial mindset. It requires us to take a holistic approach to our finances and make intentional decisions about how we use our money. Thanks to inflation and how much the average person can put aside from their income, no one can save their way to financial freedom. It is a great skill to have, but it will never outperform the power of compounding interest that many investment vehicles give. Many people believe that building wealth means sacrificing our lifestyle or giving up things we enjoy, but the truth is, building wealth is not about depriving ourselves of things we love, but about being intentional with our money and making choices that align with our financial goals. Knowing is the first step to achieving our financial journey goals. Will there be times that we might have to do without something to achieve our goals? Of course. Achieving great things is never simple. Our financial journey goals are something that is great, that we should all seek to achieve. So, with these common misconceptions out of the way, let's dive into the 7 small changes that can help us build wealth. The first small change is to track your expenses. This is a game changer because it helps you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back and optimize your spending. It's not about depriving yourself of things you enjoy, but about being intentional with your money and making conscious decisions about how you spend it. By tracking your expenses, you can develop mindful spending. The second small change is to create a budget that works for you, not against you. This is not about restricting yourself, but about creating a plan that helps you allocate your money towards your financial goals. A working budget is the first step towards developing a system that can see us achieve our goals. It's about being intentional with your money and making sure you're using it to achieve your goals. The third small change is to automate your savings. This is a simple yet powerful way to build wealth because it takes the thinking out of it. You set up automatic transfers from your regular everyday account to your savings or investment accounts, and voila, you're building wealth without even thinking about it. As you continue down your financial journey, automated savings will begin to change your mentality towards money. The fourth small change is to invest in yourself. This is about investing in your education, your skills, and your personal growth. When you invest in yourself, you increase your earning potential and open up new opportunities for yourself. As you progress down your financial journey towards your goals, the complexity increases. By investing in yourself, you will be better equipped to not only deal with this complexity, but thrive from it. The fifth small change is to diversify your income streams. This is about creating multiple sources of income so that you're not reliant on just one job or one income stream. When you have multiple income streams, you reduce your financial risk and increase your potential for wealth. We are always taught to diversify our investments, but we often forget this advice when it comes to our income streams. Not only does diversifying our incomes reduce the risk of the unexpected, but if you are able to generate a passive income stream, it can increase your earning potential. The sixth small change is to minimize debt. This is about creating a plan to pay off high-interest debt and avoiding new debt in the future. When you minimize debt, you free up more money in your budget to invest in yourself and your financial goals. But working yourself out of debt is only half of the battle. We need to make sure that we don't increase our levels of debt or go back into debt once we are clear of it. The seventh and final small change is to practice gratitude and abundance mindset. This is about shifting your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance and focusing on what you already have rather than what you lack. When you practice gratitude and abundance mindset, you shift your focus towards what's possible and open up new opportunities for yourself. This mindset change will force you to see the world in a different way. You stop looking at what you are missing from your goals, and you start to look at what you can do to achieve your financial journey goals. When you combine all 7 small changes, you start to build wealth in a way that's sustainable and consistent. You start to make progress towards your financial goals, and you start to feel more confident and in control of your finances. These are just some of the lessons we need to learn to achieve our goals. But there are plenty of lessons we need to learn in order to avoid making daily mistakes. Check out this video to learn how to avoid those mistakes.